Alright, what's going on, y'all? So it's another day. About to go back to Lee's house and finish up what we started. Well, we didn't even start on the shocks, but we're gonna go finish the shocks because I can't wait to see how they look. And then we're gonna take my shocks that I got on now and put it on Lee's truck. So bye bye. And I know I ain't been posting much, but been injured. Work's been hectic, so I mean, it's just excuses, but I do this YouTube thing on my free time, every chance I get. Now, there's some occasions where I don't film anything, and it's just because I'm in the moment. But I'm working on it, man. I've been working on it, but it don't pay the bills yet. So as long as y'all subscribe and keep watching, maybe I will be able to, maybe it will pay the bills. So y'all stay tuned. Bow, Simona bitch. Alright, so we're here at Lee's. Just pulled everything out. I got the shock out. So this is the holder to keep it right here. Yes, sir. So we're gonna put this on, and I gotta figure out which side is the upside. Not really sure. I know some shocks can be either or. And then some shocks should have an indication of what should be the top side or the bottom side. So, and just like the coilovers, the dampeners, this is a dampener, which is the reservoir. It has an adjustment for stiffness or softness. All right, so I got this is the holder to keep the reservoir next to it. Really like that. Yes, sir. So we'll do the other one, which is in the box, and go from there. Yes, sir. That's hard. You see my favorite jack. Shout out to Chuck. Wow. Yep, got one off. Yep. So we put the reservoir on the front because if we put it on the back, it's gonna hit the bottom. The cable is gonna hit the frame. So if it rubs, it could possibly get wear and put a hole in the line. And that's a pressurized tank, so definitely don't want that to happen. Yes, sir. All right, we got both sides on. Ain't take nothing but less than an hour.
Y'all don't take breaks and play basketball.
Oh, you got jokes? I guess it didn't come up that high. I think I do need to bring it up though. Alright, so I got some adjustments to make. I'm gonna bring the reservoir up a little bit on that one and on the other side just because of each other. But it's only right I take my Fox 2.0s and give it a Lee so he'll have Fox all around. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where you at? I'm gonna let that.
Gas shortage in Georgia. Got pump regular. So alright, I got a little something for it. Alright, so during a crisis, got this octane booster. You can find it inside the gas station. It'll help if you got a pump regular. Yes, sir. It'll treat up to 21 gallons. I had half a tank, so it should be fine. About take it and dump it in like that. Yes, sir. Alright guys, before I get started with this video, I just wanted to let y'all know about something I came across. Shout out to Freedom Grooming. Now this is for, I felt like I wanted to tell y'all about this amazing product because I'm, you know, not blessed with a lot of hair, and I know there's other people out there that has the same unblessing. This right here I had for about 3 weeks. Shout out to them, man. Make sure y'all go pick one up. If you want a close shave, this is the way to go. I always dry shave, and I never had anything this close before. Low maintenance. All I gotta do is clean it up after use, and then, I mean, just dry. I shaved my head earlier. I wish I had a video, but it seems to echo a lot in the bathroom. But definitely check this out. Follow them on Instagram. It's about 60 bucks, I believe, but I could be wrong. But Freedom Grooming, if you got a bald head and you like a close shave, make sure y'all check them out. We just put the shots on, got home, showered up. We're actually about to go ride out. I'm finna go meet up with Oos or Lee, and y'all stay tuned. We're finna go ride around the city because it's been a while. So y'all stay tuned. Bow, some of the bitch. All right, so it's Saturday night in Atlanta. We out here. We in the parking lot. Lee was parked next to me, but we out here. Got G out here. Yes, sir. Oh, you want to be on camera today, huh? Yeah, I did.
Let's do it live. See what the fuck we at. We're on Auburn Ave. Got the hero here.
Yes, sir.
We out here, keep that legend, man. You know what's going on. We got truck girl over there.
Yeah, truck girl out there.
My boy G. Hey, look, this is what we do. If you had too much to drink, we finna go pick your ass up.
No charge, no charge.
You can ride with them.
For a small fee.
Hey, look at my boy, look. Look at me. He's so clean, look at him. Tell him what your name is, bro. Tell him where you from, what you call, what's your name is.
I'm from the east side of Atlanta, zone 6 shit. Follow me in 1 month, man. Hey, bring the camera up a little bit, man. So there you go, there you go.
Alright, get your ugly ass on. Get your ugly ass on, my take.
Oh, it's YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ain't no fun if
That's